This is the task manager screen. All these programs here are fighting for CPU, memory and disk space and network. Ever wondered how these things are allocated and who controls all this?
That invisible decider is the kernel, that is the core of your operating system. Kernel is the first program that loads after the booting. Before understanding working of the kernel, you need to know that OS is divided into two spaces. One is user space where all the apps reside and run, which has the limited privileges. And the other one is the kernel space, which is a privileged area where kernel executes, which has full access to the hardware. Programs in user space cannot directly touch the hardware, so they make request to the kernel space via the system calls for opening a file. Let's understand how kernel works. Let's say you open a file named abcd.txt. The shell, which is the interpreter between you and the kernel, calls the open function. Kernel checks the file system and verifies whether you have the permission to access the file or not. The abcd.txt file is fetched from the storage. After this, kernel copies the data into the user space buffer. Kernel checks, does the file already have some space allocation or not? If not, then allocates the space RAM network. The file is now displayed on the screen.